how to achieve something problems, someone problems, and how not to be depend on others. Okay. And my first point is going to take life. Life is not easy, not at all. Life is a stage of steps. One by one, day by day, you will face any one problem, and day by day you will increase your age. Without 1 minute lost, you can't get it back. If one day gone back, you can't get it back. So take use the 1 day and use that 1 minute. What you want, what you love, what you want to do, just do it and just follow it. If you have done any mistake, you have to agree. You have not done any mistake, you have to agree, first of agree and do. It is not my mistake. I have done it, not my mistake, and tell them others and prove it. This is not my mistake. Then they will realize this is not my mistake. This is not his mistake. So they will know what is you. Okay. If someone believes you, you don't lose your trust, because trust is the most important thing in our life. Those who believe us, because trust is the most important. If you lost in front of anything, any person trust, you can't get it back. So if I believe someone, because I believe someone, because why I believe someone because I love them and I want them. That's it. He is my best friend. He is my parent. I will be gratitude on them. Do you know the meaning of gratitude? Kritanyata. Gratitude means kritanyata. You have to be gratitude with others. So in the same way, you have to be the gratitude on him, because if you have done any mistake, he will realize he is not. You can do it. You can do it well. If you have not done well, you can do next time. You can do. You have to improve his. You have to support him, because you don't want to lose his own personality. Because my mind says you can't do anything. You can't do anything. Because why he lost it? He lost his goal. Recently, my friend achieved some events. He's got Gadar Prithvi. He attended 4 times or up to 5 times. Events he attended 5 times. He lost every time. I said him. He after events he came back and I texted him how it is going. I said it's gone. My game was gone. My life is full. He's saying something else. I don't want to do it. You can achieve. This is not the only one way you can achieve your life. Not only in this way. You can do any other things. There are many other things to success your life. There are many other things to lead your life. Because not only one opportunity that life gives. Many opportunities that life gives. You have to just use it. You have to just use it and just prove it. You can earn money by anything else. As the Pavani says, goals will change. Yeah, definitely I agree with that, because I have changed many goals. I have to be engineering, I have to be police, I have to be doctor. At least in the second day I have to be from this. But after that, in the lockdown, my parents gratitude money. Where can I get it now? I can't get it now. So let me give some time. I will prove myself. I want some time. I will prove myself. Definitely I will prove myself, because I know what is me. My parents are giving my best. Not only my parents. All your parents are giving your best. They are best, because if you are in this stage, they are giving you food at least. There are many people without food, without shelter, without clothes. You can see our daily life and daily situations, because they didn't have any parents, something. When I see them, I feel I am very good. I have someone. I have my parents. I'm still better now. I don't want to be in that situation. In future I have to help them. I will definitely help them. If I am in good situation, good position, I will definitely help them, because if you help them, if you help anyone, it will save in any time, because there is a God. I believe God. Everyone will believe God. I don't say everyone believe God. Sorry. Yeah. How if you do something, you will get back to you. It will be get back to you in any time, in any situation. That's it. And problems and exams are, for example, exams. We have failed in some intermediate exams. My parents, I can't show my face to my parents. I can't show my parents to my relatives. I can't show my face to my friends. I can't show my face to society. I will get suicide. What is this thought? You can do any other way. You can try any time, or you can go in any way. Don't be committed to suicide. If you fail the love, you have to be suicidal. What is this? If you fail the life, you have to be suicidal. I don't want, if in my way. Don't lose your mindset. If you want to do suicide, why you born? That is the way your parents give born to you. Not they want to be see you. The parents will, if you not do anything, they will give you food, at least food. Definitely, because they are parents to us. They will not feel anytime he is the best, he is the best. They will not. They say, but they have the more love. They can't show the love. We have to feel it. We have to feel it. If you are still in 40, so I saw someone else. They are still in 40. The parents are very old, but they are still working and giving him food. He is not sitting at home and just eating. His mom, I saw my relatives, someone else. His mom went to America, and he is still at home. His father is still at home. His wife and his sons are still at home. He is not doing anything. Just his mom went to America and gave the money. He is living on that, but he is not utilizing that money to use something else. Use how to utilize the money. He is doing this to enjoy, like drinking, etc., etc., etc. He is not concentrated on that family. Everyone think, if I get married, I can be happy. Marriage is not a happiness. It's a collapsing of our life. I saw many families really. Someone will have, because someone will live happy because they have money. Someone will lead their life very poor because they don't have money. Their family will always be shouting, fighting. This family are taking caring. Someone is behind the rich kids. They are not, they can't spend more time with their family. So you can get the money and spend time with your family and love your family. Not only money. You have to love your family the most. Because your family is the best one to you get your life. If you have no any problem, their family you have. If you committed to suicide, their family is behind you. Okay, just think about your family, not of you. You can be dispersed. The family will choose you. The wife will go. I can't do anything. The wife will go because they are married. Yeah, I want him. She will go. And yeah, everyone will have one inspiration. In my life, I have my inspiration, my dad, because my dad have the life second chance. It's true. I saw my dad tears. Never. I don't want to see my still now. I don't want to see my parent eyes on tears, because we are living happy. What we have, we are living happy. If I see someone is rich, I think I want to be like that. I don't think like that. I have to reach that like. And I have to see my parents very good, very well caring. As the part my wife and their parents, if I get married, I want to see there also, because they are also depending on us. They want to see my daughter is good, my son is good. I have to see them. My wife came, I don't want my family. My son came, I don't want here. Don't think like that. We want everyone. We don't know what we have. What can we do? Because they have. And achieving your goals. Be concentrated. And do it. Do your best. Boys, do your best. Because you can't do any other thing. Girls will not do any other thing. You have to lead your life, your family, and your family, four families. You have to lead your life. So do concentrate on what you want, what to gain. You have to gain something. You have to lead something. Earn while you learn. You can earn while learning, because on your parents will not give any money. You can't get any earning. You can earn your studies. You can earn your studies. Earn while you learn. Earning is study. If you earn it now and learn it now, you can earn in the future by money. Money is the most important. Only one point: money. Without money, you will see like a street dog. I saw with my eyes, saw many families without money. Will see like they will see very poor, very is the best guy. Which you have money, you will be a royal. You can be a royalty. So earn money, and in future do concentrate on studies and earn your land and lead your life. Don't be committed to disperse. I don't want to disperse in my life. I want to achieve something. I have to think. I want to achieve. I have my goals. I have to fulfill my dreams. Everyone will have dreams and everyone will have passion. I too have passion, because I just kept it back, and I am choosing my life. I too have my passion on dance. I can't go there because my family couldn't afford me like that. But definitely in future I will be I can't be a dancer, but I will be a dance school. That's it. Thank you everyone.